Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. We'll start now. We'll not wait. Okay. Yesterday we are discussing mobile marketing. In that we are discussed some examples of the mobile marketing. I'm audible. My PPT is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Okay,
Yes,
no
sir.
problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. We are discussing mobile marketing second chapter, and we have discussed lot some of the part of mobile marketing. In that, we have discussed what are the types of mobile marketing, SMS, MMS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile search. So these are the tactics, or these are the some promotional ways or promotional strategies used by the various companies. So mobile marketing, we are much know about that. So these are the some concept, these are the some tactic or these are some strategy while using the mobile phones, while using any applications also. Lots of applications we are using. In that, maybe the advertisements are coming by using the applications. So this is nothing but a strategy. This is nothing but a mobile marketing. So yes, now we are going to discuss mobile is a different. Yes, mobile is a different. Why mobile is a different? Technology platform, it is a technology platform, mobile. Why mobile is different? Which gives you technology platform. The physical mobile device and the communication network to the which it is connected to reach internet or markets in their own rights. So it is a technology platform. Second, the product or services that consumer uses locally. So wherever you go, you can use their mobile phones and do the things. Mobile runs on local application, utilities, and rich media players. The product or services that a consumer uses remotely. So remotely, if you want to use that, mobile can be one device where we can use at any time. So why mobile? A route to market. So inbound e-commerce information, media, retrieval device, outbound or delivery channel services. Nothing but everything can be managed to the mobile phones now. Two-way communication we can call. It should be video chat, SMS, phone call. That no need to general utility device. Yes, it is a general utility nowadays. We can use a mobile device as an e-wallet, as a wallet. We can use as a personal ID also. It's can e-key also, where we are logging as a fingerprint or fingerprint, maybe some. So this can be e-key. Remote control of the various devices now using as a mobile phones, infrared technology we are using. So these are some technologies are inbuilt into the mobile phones and that can support to do the various activities, general utility activities. So camera, video, compass, personal, and these are the things. So yes, mobile is a different. Now, mobile phone campaign advantages and disadvantages. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of mobile phone campaign? Campaign through the mobile phone or campaign on a mobile phone. So what are the that? First advantage we'll discuss, then disadvantages. Now phone is a personal and nearby. Personal and nearby. तो आपके पास से रहेगा, it is a personal mobile phone, so it can be nearby. So we can reach at any time. A company can reach at any time by sending SMS. You can see in the next few seconds. You can see the message. You can see the things. Increase sales by catching people when watching TV out with the friends and away from the PC also. So while entertaining also, while using mobile phones, by playing the game also, you can get advertisement and where company can catch you. Company can catch the customer at any time while they are using some application. Maybe the pop-ups are coming while the advertisements are coming. That is, but we are reaching to the particular customer. So this is nothing but advantages. Third, catch shoppers on the move and in a hurry. So catch shoppers on the move while moving, while traveling, while doing any activity. The customer can catch by the particular organization, particular company. Engage directly with the customer mobile phone, which is hand into the direct customer. So intermediaries between the both the sellers and maybe the direct company to the customer. There is no one will be the intermediators. Measurable result to the campaign. Yes, measurable result to the campaign. Yes, we will get because we are reaching to the target customer and customers direct customer we are reaching. And surely the conversion it is a high. Major sales via mobile. Most of the society people having the mobile phone. Maybe they don't have a desktop, don't have laptops, but they have mobile phones. Nowadays, everyone are using a mobile phone, smartphones to do their whatever transactions or e-commerce activities, maybe the banking things. So advantages. Mobile sites can be cheap to construct. basic QR codes are free to create and flexible. So QR code scanning nowadays, everyone is using the QR code, then barcode. We are going to scan that QR code and we are sending the money. We are getting lots of information. If you scan this QR code, physically भी रहेगा और कोई आपको QR code scan आपको भेजा ही होगा WhatsApp पे वगैरह. So that things you can share, you can scan that and you can get the information. So yes, we are not limited with the particular this type of particular information we want. If you have a QR code, if you have a barcode, whatever, then we can scan that through the mobile phone or device and we can get the information. So yes, these are some advantages. Now we are going to discuss the disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages of mobile phone campaign? Mobile phone campaign. Marketing can be seen as an intrusion if people poorly executed. Yes, marketing can be seen intrusion if it can be poorly executed. So generally we can see that lots of SMS are coming into our inbox. Lots of messages are coming day by day. But what happens? Generally we can say that we can directly go and select all the messages and we can delete it. Because we know that messages are not useful for me. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारे SMS भेजते हैं. Generally we are getting lots of messages are coming. If you have visited some place, automatically the messages are coming from the particular place. Maybe there is competitors. Maybe the data, if data is given to the some agency or some consultancy, automatically you will get a messages related to the lots of products because data can be sold to someone else and they are sending their things. So maybe we are irritated. We are irritating. Now we are getting a lot of call from the various call centers. Lots of call centers, product. If you want a credit card, if you want a debit card, you want to open a bank account, we are providing insurance, you are providing this scheme, we are providing that scheme. So lots of phone calls are coming to your mobile phones. So generally we are looking to a mobile phone that from the we have a true caller and from that true caller we come to know that who is calling. Maybe the name can be displayed on your screen. So according to that, how it is there, it is a spam call, it is a genuine call, we are going to check that and we can pick up that call. Otherwise we are rejecting the calls also. So nothing but we maybe the calls we are received, it can be as a genuine call. Maybe we are talking rudely with the particular opposition. Maybe the customer care executive. We are not talking properly. So these things can be happen if it can be irritation when we are using in a mass things. If we are using in a large quantity. So yes, disadvantages. Second, depends upon a device. Yes, we should depends upon device. We want a good quality device, maybe the smart device which is compatible with all the platform, all the application. Your software, hardware should be compatible with the application. So yes, this is the one requirement. कि मेरे पास यही mobile है and that mobile phone it does not support this particular application, then no use of that. Then Apple and Android dominate the market. Okay, no problem. If creating a game, it is difficult to gain attention unless popular and gains viral attention. तो बहुत सारे हम गेम्स वगैरह डाउनलोड करते हैं प्ले स्टोर से. So lots of advertisements are coming on your while playing a game. So how to attract that? How to convert using that particular advertisement? So that plays very important role. So maybe you are getting irritation. that मैंने ये मोबाइल ऐप जब से डाउनलोड किया है और मैंने इंस्टॉल किया है तब से बहुत सारे मुझे कॉल आने हो रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों के एसएमएस आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों के व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज आ रहे हैं. When I open the particular app, I am not able to use that app, but lots of pop-ups are coming up advertisements. So these things that irritate the person, irritate the particular user while using the particular mobile phones. So advantages and disadvantages. Now we'll discuss steps in the mobile marketing. Now if you are using, you are the part of MBA student. Now I mean you are taking admission. Maybe you are taking the specialization in Indian marketing and all this thing. So that's how you are going to do any mobile marketing. Maybe if you do any simple marketing also, mobile marketing, digital marketing, it is a part of digital marketing itself, mobile marketing. So how you will start, how you will do the mobile marketing. So there are 10 steps are there, so that we have to understand what are the 10 steps in the mobile marketing or any marketing, digital marketing. We have to follow these 10 steps. First, objective. What do you want to achieve? First, set your objective. Why we are doing mobile marketing? Why there is a need of mobile marketing? What is your objectives? हम mobile marketing से क्या चाहते हैं? What will be the final output we want if you will go for that? So first, set your objective. set your objective. For example, I want to do mobile marketing to reach 1 lakh a customer. I want to reach 1 lakh customer in a 10 days, in a 5 days. So you can set first objective. So you can work according to the objective. Generally, we have to also set the first objective. What we are going to be into the coming year. What will be the my objective? So set that first. So if you set that, so we can work according to their particular objective. So this is the okay. Now okay. Now we are discussing objective. First, we have to set the objective while doing anything. मतलब हम कोई भी काम करें, whatever we are going for the plan, we have to first set the objective. हमारा क्या final output चाहिए? Why we are looking? Why we are going for the mobile marketing? Why we are going for the digital marketing? What are the objective of a digital marketing? Set that. So setting objective, nothing but we are setting a final output be what we are expect. So we can work according to that. We will go towards that particular objective. Second, strategy. What are the business goals? So second, strategy. What type of strategy we are to use? Can we go for the digital marketing? Can we go for the mobile marketing? Can we go for the advertisement? So what type of things we are to do? And what is our business goal? हमारा business goal क्या है? What is the business goal? Mobile marketing, it's have own objective. Business के क्या goals है? What their business goals? As an organization as a whole, what are the goals are there? So according to that, you can prepare for the strategy. So strategy nothing but action plan. In advance, we have to prepare. Strategy nothing but we have prepared one advance. In advance, we have prepared some action plan. That things we are to going to do into that particular things. So mobile marketing, we have to reach to the 1 lakh customer in a 5 days. So how you can reach? This is my objective. We want to communicate. We want to reach 1 lakh customers, new customers. So how I can reach? A strategy. So what is your business goal? That we have to set. Whatever business goals are there, we have to follow that. Now channel. What appropriate for target audience? For example, I want to reach to the age of the customer should be a 25 to 30. Age should be 25 to 30. Only that person, only that younger generation I want to reach. My company product should be reached. So what should be the channel? How we can reach to that particular target audience? So that things we have to discuss. That points we have to discuss. So channels क्या रहेंगे? Can we go for the SMS marketing? Can we go for the some pop-ups are coming on a various application? Can I go for the YouTube? Can I go for the bulk SMS? Can I go for the bulk emails? So what things we can do? So we have to perform a channels. Can we go for the affiliate marketing? Can I go for the viral marketing? So what things we have to apply? What we are going to think that we have to implement? So that things we have to decide in advance steps in a mobile marketing. Now creative concept. Now yes, हमने बोला कि yes, we are reaching to the 25 to 35 age customer by using a YouTube, by using a MMS, by using a SMS, by using a WhatsApp SMS, WhatsApp application. So yes, that is fine. We are reaching 1 lakh customer by using the WhatsApp. We are reaching to the customer by YouTube. That is well decided. Now we have come to the creative concept. So creative concept nothing but by looking particular website, by looking particular video, by looking particular maybe the pamphlet, maybe the leaflet, if customer can attract, customer can come and visit to my shop, then we can say that visit to my particular website, then I can say that my particular channels we have selected that has played a very important role. Then creative concept has also created by a particular person. Creative concept nothing but it will give a lot of information by some smart presentation, smart advertisement. आप कैसे content बनाते हो? How content can be represented in front of the particular persons or particular manager? आप कैसे करते हो? So So that plays very important. So first we have to set the objective, set the strategy. Then nothing but we have to discuss about the channels. कि where we can do the marketing, then we can reach to the 1 lakh customer. हम कहाँ पे marketing करें तो मुझे 1 लाख कस्टमर मिल सकते हैं 2-3 दिन में और जिसका एज 25 to 30 years रहेगा. So that thing we have to discuss in advance. Now creative concept, who will develop the content? Now we have to think about that, who having that skills, that who will develop that particular concept, whatever we are discussing, that concept should be transferred into the technology, transferred into the graphs, transferred into the digital information. So we can display on a particular website, particular platform while giving the maybe we are attempt to the students. Now creative concept is okay. Now programming. Any technical help needed? Then yes, we have to. Person should be required in our team, in your team. Whenever you are going for the digital, yes, there is a need of technical help needed. So maybe there is some technical glitches or there technical problems may face, maybe the internet connection, maybe the other things. If it is there, then it can be created a problem. So yes, now any technical help needed, then we can have a programmer, we can have an IT engineer. Now timing. What is the timing? Any technical help needed? Any critical factors? Timing should be any critical factors. What time we have to implement? What time we have to implement, execute this particular app, particular website, or particular shops? So timing plays very important. Any critical factor? It's a critical factor. How much time required? So these are the some marketing that we have to take care about that. Then budget. Yes, very good point. That budget. Maybe the company is ready to pay. How much they are ready to pay? Because हम लेके जाएंगे budget ज़्यादा, then company is not able to accept that particular budget. Maybe they are going to reduce the cost for the company. So promotional plan. How will the target audience know about the campaign? How will the target audience know about the campaign? So how they know? Maybe we can promote their that we have started promotion. We are giving some these types of schemes. These are the some benefits we are providing to the customer if they visit to the particular shop. That things we can transfer. We can inform. So these things can be done on a into the timing or into the budget. Now promotion policy. So next is the promotion policy. So steps in digital marketing we are discussing, mobile marketing we are discussing. First is the set objective, then check for the strategy, what they are using, then channel you are going to use. Can we go for the Gmail, can I go for the SMS, can I go for the MMS, can I go for the WhatsApp? So what strategy I can use? So that thing you have to write. Channels, what are the purpose of the channels? So nothing but channels आपने लिए थे क्या? मतलब for example while they are coming for some advertisement, some giving some complaint, is there they have worked properly or not? So that also very good things that we have to take care about the doing a mobile marketing. Now people are there who is involved in house agency, promotion policy are there and action plan. Who is doing what and when and where. So that things we have to tell, that things we have to set in advance into the classroom. Who will do, what can be done and when can be done. So everything can be done properly. So these are the some 10 steps of mobile marketing. Now we are very much aware about the QR code. Now QR code. What is the QR code? QR code we are very much aware, and generally we are using QR code every day. QR code we are using every day. Now paying the amount to the particular shopkeepers or anyone, that we are scanning the QR code and it can be yes, it can be transferred the amount from the one place to another QR code. So it will save. A QR code will be the representation of your particular website, particular application, where you can directly do the things. So this can be one of the best benefits that we are using the Google Pay, Phone Pay, and generally we are scanning the particular screen. And if you scan the screen, everything can be the account can be debited and credited by the particular person. Now, where we can use this particular Google QR code, where we can use it? Nowadays in banking we are using it. Very good example, in banking we are using it. If you have to pay something, you can scan the QR code and send the money to the bill. Now, second, incentives. QR code media marketing. Now incentives are there. Now those who are not into the digital marketing, that time, what are the benefits we are doing? So So first is the incentive. Incentive, if you want to offer some incentives differently to the different employee, you will write and you can see that convert into the particular scan QR code. So that can be done. Discount can be given by using the QR code. Generally, you will see that you will get us a lot of offers, lots of coupons. Coupons we are talking about. So just this discount चाहिए, so you can scan the particular discount coupon and you can go for that. The coupons are also there. You can get the lots of coupons from the various website. Amazon पे coupons मिलते हैं, Flipkart के मिलते हैं, then other companies also they are providing the. For example, if you go for the credit card, if you have a credit card, then you can go for the these things. Coupons are available. If you have paid some amount, then you will get a code. So this is the thing. Now product and sample products. If you can find the product sample. Then download video of other media locality and loyalty points and aggregation information. Loyalty points you will get when we can use your customer and you get for the customers. So now, so these are some benefits of QR code. Nothing but QR code, everywhere we are using the QR code. So it can be a short things, it can be a small image where we can scan it through our mobile phone and we are doing our transaction. So yes, transferring the payment and all this. Now we are going to discuss about the QR code advantages. What are the advantages of and disadvantages of QR code? Connect reader from the printed page to the advertiser. So yes, printed page पे रहता है और we can digitally we can sign it or we can cover we can see the application has been come. We can go to the particular mobile phone user and we can call them and we can say that it will have we have to connect your mobile phone. So same thing it can be done. Connect authorizers to check that your mobile phone is connected or not. Animals are managed to track eyeballs on ads and to the value of advertisement. बहुत सारे इसमें एडवर्टाइज में बहुत सारे लोगों ने अभी क्यूआर कोड डालना चालू किया है, ग्राफ कोड डालना किया चालू. So that particular website or particular magazine can be accessed from the any place from the India, any place from the particular city or particular things. So this is the QR code. Now QR code third point. QR code are predominantly between 35 to 34 years old. Old age license required to create to use. Old one should create a license. Old one is a license. They need a permission from the authority. Easy to create using a free software. It is easy to create for something. Now means disadvantage. Smartphone with the camera become a barcode readers. Smartphone can read your barcode of your mobile phone or other things. Now disadvantage. What is the disadvantage of QR code advertise? Don't know how long they stay. Yes. How many times, how many days they can live into the system. So QR code. Second, what they look at, what they look at, what they are looking at disadvantages. So आप क्या देखते हो मोबाइल में, आप क्या मंगाते हो. So it is totally difference there between you and yourself. So or if they have liked it, उन्होंने like किया है कि आपके प्रोडक्ट को. So that also plays very important role. आप क्या जो भी करते हो उसको लाइक मिलना चाहिए या आपको फीडबैक आना चाहिए. Yes, we have done this thing and kindly give the feedback. So kindly giving the feedback nothing but it is increasing the reaches, increasing to reach the particular customers, the particular target audience by clicking the things. Now, if the people share it, then it can be very good that our product has also reached to the other phones also. And you can say that you are going to say that this product is on from this particular place and yes. So this is nothing but it was shared with also valued to the services. So it is nothing but a course advantages. And now we are going to discuss social commerce. So what is the social commerce? Anyone? Social commerce? From the class, social commerce? Social commerce, anyone? From your class? Are you there in the class? Social commerce. We have discussed e-commerce, mobile commerce, now social commerce. So how we can define the social commerce? Any good example if you have, please please share with your friends. So what is the social commerce? Yes, we are the part of social media. Now what is the social commerce? Yes. Yes, please who is talking? Social commerce. What do you mean by social commerce? E-commerce we are understood. What do you mean by social commerce? Anyone? Anyone from you? Yes, yes, please. Harvey. कौन?
Social commerce. I'm there, sir. Social
हाँ,
commerce में sir फेसबुक के अगर अपन फेसबुक यूज करें तो सर फेसबुक के उनके कुछ प्रोडक्ट वगैरह रहते तो अपन वो बाय कर सकते सर.
How? That is only social commerce?
I think so.
Yes.
That's
Okay.
it.
Okay, nice. Very good. Nowadays you will see that lots of groups are created by the person. अभी आप बहुत सारे देखोगे कि lots of groups on Facebook are there. For example, you will see that Pune sellers, Pune wholesalers. For example, आपके भी place में रहेंगे medical distributor, medical shopkeepers, और maybe if you have some classmates का group भी रहेगा. अभी आप for example SSC classmate, HSC classmate, graduation classmate. This is a simple example. But if you go for the society, if you come into the social network, it has a lot of scope. There is a big scope into the particular in social media where groups are created, and maybe groups are created. Maybe the individual person also can post his product or his services on their groups. So socially, it can be distributed at everyone. So it can be a social commerce. So we can call it a social commerce. Social commerce means a perfect bonding between e-commerce and social media, which involve leveraging the social media and social interaction to help promote the buying and selling of a product and services online. So nothing but where we are taking the help. Nowadays we are taking help of applications and our physical infrastructure. But now we have to reach above. We have reached or we have transferred ourselves that we should have an account on maybe the Instagram. We should be live into the Twitter. We should live into the YouTube. Everywhere. Nothing but this is the need. Nowadays this is a need.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
There's a technical problem, I think.
Yes. Yes, we have a technical problem. Sorry for the disturbance. What we can do? Now it's 11:21. So we take a break now. We will stop here now itself. Because there's electricity problem from my side. So we'll stop here. Sorry for disturbance. We will take Monday we have a lecture, so we will cover that.
Okay, sir.
And I have already shared.
Okay.
Yes, I have already shared one Google. I have already shared Google form to submit the assignment. If you are facing a problem, then kindly ping me or kindly send me the message that we are facing problem. Maybe you will not face a problem while submitting the assignment. Yesterday there was a problem, but now it is working fine. So you can submit the assignment and should be PDF format, and file size should be less than 10 MB. So do like that, and file name should be your roll number and your name of the file. And PDF format you can send.
Okay, sir.
Vinod कौन है रे? Okay, thank you very much. We'll stop here, huh? You can join the next class at. Okay, thank you. We'll end the meeting now. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
अरे पुण्या